What's up, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I have here the waterfall case from Caseology for the S10 Plus. Now, this is a very minimal, transparent, clear case for the S10 Plus. Ultra thin, clear cover, minimal bulk. It is military grade protected. It does offer very minimal bulk to the actual phone itself. It's durable, scratch resistant, clear cover. Is perfect for customizing and offering long-lasting clarity and protection. Now, all the cutouts do have a responsive and crisp feedback and a raised lip protection, and it is wireless charge friendly. This case does retail for $9.99, and the cool thing, Caseology do the tabs, make it real easy to get this plastic protection off of the actual case. Thank you, Caseology. Appreciate it. Looking at you, Speedgen. All right, I do have a screen protector on there. Let's see if this is case friendly. Yes, it is. Real nice look. Cut out. Camera is protected. Check out the buttons. No problem with the buttons. So again, this is the waterfall from Caseology. Nice, clear. Let you see the back of your S10 Plus. Buttons, cutouts, everything is on point. Let's check it. Works perfectly with your wireless charging. So again, $9.99. I have the links and everything down below for this case. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. Talk to you later.